So, you've probably wondered what it'd be like to land on another planet. But let's go big. What if I tried to land on Venus? Spoiler! It's not a happy ending. In fact, it's one of the worst places to visit in the entire solar system. Let me walk you through exactly how things would go down if I set foot on the morning star. First off, the journey down to Venus's surface is no easy ride. As I start my descent, I'd hit the thickest atmosphere of any rocky planet. It's made mostly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. Picture getting sandblasted by toxic fog, except the sand is acid and there's nowhere to hide. My spacesuit? Not designed for this. Acid rain would eat through it in minutes. But let's pretend my suit is somehow acid-proof. Next up, the atmosphere gets denser and hotter the lower I go. The pressure builds up fast, 90 times stronger than Earth's at sea level. That's like being crushed under the weight of a submarine nearly a kilometer underwater. If I'm not in a seriously reinforced capsule, my body would squish flat in seconds. Okay, say I have a magical suit that can handle the pressure. Now it's time for the heat. Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. We're talking 475 degrees Celsius. That's enough to melt lead, so my suit would turn into a puddle and well, you get the picture. If the pressure didn't get me, the heat sure would. And the air, not even close to breathable. It's almost pure carbon dioxide, so even a tiny leak in my gear means instant suffocation. Let's not forget the landscape. If I somehow survived the descent, I'd find endless rocky plains and ancient volcanoes shrouded in a dim orange glow. The sun barely makes it through, and the skies are always thick with haze. No blue sky, no friendly sunshine, just a hellish, toxic wasteland. Honestly, Venus is as close to a real-life nightmare as it gets. No probe sent there has lasted more than 2 hours. The Soviet Venera landers were basically fried and crushed not long after touching down. So what happens if I land on Venus? In short, I'd be cooked, crushed, corroded and choked out, maybe all at once. Space is dangerous, but Venus? That's on a whole new level. If you ever dream of being an astronaut, pick literally any other planet. Just trust me on this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed staring death in the face with me, hit that like button and subscribe for more wild space adventures.